The order tracking page, a Debutify conversion building add-on, showcases an order tracking page and lets your customers put in a tracking number so that they can know exactly where their item is throughout the world. Step 1, navigate to the theme settings, and then navigate to the Debutify add-ons. Just locate order tracking and make sure that it's checked on. And then you want to navigate to the order tracking page. And if you haven't made that, I'll just show you how to set it up. Step 3, just create a page. Go into Sales Channels Online Store and go to Pages. You can call it whatever you like. Just make sure that the template suffix matches up to page.order-tracking. And now we can see it here. If you want to customize this, come out of Debutify add-ons, back into the theme settings. In step 4, you can just customize the text. We're using 17.track.net, and here's a sample tracking number. We're using 17track.net. You can see the same tracking on this website. Okay, and there you have it, the order tracking CBA. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.